All right, so we're gonna taste test our homemade chicken nuggets coated in hot spicy chicken.
Easy.
There's our tester nugget. $400 for 10 minutes. It's juicy. The juices are clear, so we know it's cooked. Oops. Lovely. Okay, what's up, Warrior family? So we are making homemade chicken tenders, and what we're doing is I found some chicken thighs in the freezer. So what I'm gonna do, or what we're doing is, I found the thighs in the freezer that needed to get used up. So what I'm doing is I am grinding the thighs up. I'm going to add an egg, Parmesan cheese, that's the last of that. And then we're gonna season with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and we're gonna throw some French fried onions in there. We're gonna grind her up. Can I just say for a quick second how versatile this is going to be? So you can do thighs, you can do breasts, whichever. But you can make your homemade chicken patties, your homemade chicken nuggets, your chicken tenders, anything chicken that you would buy in the frozen section that is processed and ground up like this, you can do it at home. All right, so what we did, ground up hot and spicy chicharrones. We turned the mushy chicken into nuggets, chicken strips, footballs, you know. And then we're gonna air fry them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes per batch. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. What you doing?
Taking off some nuggets.
Are they done?
Yes, they are.
They turn out spectacular.
Yes, they did. Golden brown. Yeah. Beigeish brown. Beigeish?
That's difficult to say,
Is that a word? Beige-ish. Slightly not
Raw.
Not raw.
Chicken nugget hearts. How cute. So these are coated in the hot and spicy chicharron. And those are naked chicken nuggets. Chicken nugs. Homemade. Okay. Which one do you want to pick? This one?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna taste test our homemade chicken nuggets coated in hot and spicy chicharron. You gonna dip it? Or you wanted to dip it?
I'm gonna dip it. You know,
They probably couldn't hear any of the crunch because of the air fryer. Those are those homemade chicken nuggets are delicious.
They are good.
Wow. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Go make you some.